Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to spend a full day on our amazing DIY toy farm. The sun is just starting to rise, and that means it's time for our hard-working toy trucks to get to work. Look at this beautiful morning. The fields are ready, the animals are waking up, and our big yellow tractor is all fueled up and ready to go. First up on the agenda is plowing the main field. We need to get the soil ready for planting some new crops. Let's fire up the engine. Vroom, vroom. Here we go. The tractor's big wheels are perfect for moving across the bumpy ground. We attach the plow to the back, and it digs right into the soil, turning it over to make nice, neat rows. Look at that. It's so satisfying to watch. This is a really important job on the farm. If we don't prepare the soil properly, our crops won't grow big and strong. We have to make sure every inch of the field is plowed perfectly. Let's go back and forth, nice and steady. Great job, Mr. Tractor. Now that the field is plowed, it's time to bring in the seeder. This special attachment will help us plant all our seeds quickly and evenly. We're planting corn today. We'll just hook up the seeder to the back of the tractor. See, it drops the little seeds right into the fresh soil. We need to drive in straight lines to make sure all the corn has enough space to grow. This is precision work. The farm depends on a good harvest, so we have to do this part just right. We're almost done with the whole field. It's looking fantastic. With the seeds planted, the next job is for our big water tanker truck. The seeds need water to start growing. Our tanker is full to the brim. Let's drive it carefully over to the field. We don't want to spill any. Okay, here we are. We'll extend the sprayer arm and give the entire field a good watering. It's like a mini rain shower just for our corn seeds. This will help them sprout and start their journey to becoming tall corn stalks. A good drink of water is exactly what they need on a warm day like this. While the seeds are soaking up that water, we have another important task. The farm animals are hungry. It's breakfast time for them. Let's get the pickup truck. We need to load it up with hay bales for the cows and some feed for the chickens. We'll drive over to the big red barn where we store all the animal food. Here are the hay bales. 1, 2, 3. Let's load them into the back of the truck. And here's the bag of chicken feed. Perfect. Let's head over to the pasture. The cows are waiting patiently. Moo, they sound hungry, don't they? We'll unload the hay bales into their feeder. They love munching on this tasty hay. Now, for the chickens, cluck, cluck, cluck. Let's scatter their feed in the chicken coop. Look at them all run to get their breakfast. Happy animals make for a happy farm. Making sure all our animals are well fed and cared for is one of the most important jobs we have. Oh, look, it seems like there was a small rock slide overnight on the path to the back pasture. We can't have that blocking the way. Time to call in the heavy machinery. Let's bring in our front-end loader. This machine is super strong and perfect for clearing debris. We'll scoop up all these rocks and dirt and move them out of the way. Scoop and lift. And now we'll dump it over here where it's not blocking anything. One more scoop should do it. There. The path is all clear. Now all the trucks and tractors can get through safely. Phew. It's been a busy morning, and now it's time for our trucks to take a little break and refuel. Just like us, our machines need energy to keep working. Here's our toy fuel station. We'll bring each truck over one by one. First, the tractor. Fill up next, the water tanker. And finally, the front-end loader. A full tank of fuel means they'll be ready for all the afternoon jobs. It's always important to keep our equipment in top shape. The sun is high in the sky now, which means our crops are getting lots of sunlight. But wait, what's this? It looks like some pesky weeds are starting to pop up in the vegetable garden. We can't let them take over. Let's use our small utility vehicle to get in between the rows and carefully pull them out. This little vehicle is great for delicate jobs like this. We have to be careful not to disturb the vegetable plants. There, all the weeds are gone. Our vegetables can now grow without any competition. Uh-oh, I see a problem over by the fence. It looks like one of the fence posts is broken. A cow could get out. We need to fix that right away. Let's load up a new fence post and our tools into the back of the pickup truck. Safety first. We'll drive over there and get this fixed. First, we have to remove the broken post. Then, we'll dig a new hole and place the new post in. We'll hammer it in securely to make sure it's strong. They're good as new. The pasture is secure again. After all that hard work, the trucks are getting a bit dirty. A clean truck is a happy truck. Let's head over to the truck wash station. It's a fun, bubbly job. First up is the tractor. We'll spray it down with water, cover it in soap, and then use the big brushes to scrub all the dirt and mud off. Look at it shine. Now it's the front-end loader's turn. It got really dusty from clearing that rock slate. A good wash will have it looking brand new, all clean. The day is starting to wind down, but there's one last big job to do. The corn we planted earlier this season is ready for harvest. Let's bring in the mighty combine harvester. This amazing machine will cut the corn stalks and separate the corn cobs all at once. Here we go. Watch as the big reel at the front pulls the corn in. The harvested grain is stored in the tank on top. We'll go up and down the rows until the whole field is done. Once the combine's tank is full, it needs to be emptied. Here comes our dump truck. The combine will use its big auger to transfer all the harvested corn into the back of the dump truck. Whoosh, look at it all pour in. Now, the dump truck will take this massive load of corn over to the silo for storage. We'll back it up, and up goes the bed, and out comes all the corn. This corn will feed our animals all winter long. What a successful harvest. As the sun begins to set, it's time to put all our toy trucks and machines away for the night. They've worked so hard today and deserve a good rest. We'll park the tractor in the barn. The combine harvester goes next to it. The dump truck and front-end loader will park in the machine shed. And the little pickup truck gets its own spot in the garage. Everyone is parked safe and sound. The farm is quiet now, with all the animals tucked in and the fields resting. It was a very productive day on our DIY farm. Thank you so much for joining us for a full day of work and play with our toy trucks. We plowed, planted, fed the animals, and even harvested our crops. It was a blast. I hope you had as much fun as I did. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you again really soon for more farm fun. Bye for now.